Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel 9 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both smartphones and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send. At the bottom left corner of Google Pixel 9. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Google Pixel 9, thanks to all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and when you finish, hit Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!